go to a chat room in Indonesia. If I can find it. It was here just before. What? That's confusing. I can swear it was here. I can swear it was there. Okay, maybe if I go to other countries. Hey, that's right. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Found one. Alright. I'm going to ask them some questions. Well, one question. Because my Indonesian isn't that good. If this loads. Okay. Oh, lots of people here. Lots of people here. I'll move right here. Oh, God. One sec. Okay. Whoops. My A key isn't working that well. There we go. I need to eat. Ugh. See, I told you my IQ wasn't working very well. And neither is my IQ. Oh dear. Oh, well, that's a pretty long name. Okay. So, pretty much I'm just asking anyone if they can speak English, because that's just going to make it easier for me. I guess not. Okay. No, you're making fun of me. Alright, I'm probably not gonna understand what they reply because my Indonesian's not very fluent. Oh. Oh my god. Ah! It's either really laggy or oh, they're playing a game. Or I need to get my keyboard replaced. Oh dear. Ah! Wait, how do I spell this? I think that's how I put it. Oh my god. I don't want to, never mind. Right. So, that is pretty much me failing at asking people from Indonesia on here what they think. Actually, I'm not done. I'm not done. This game might give me ideas of how they style themselves. Although it might be influenced by other things, but yeah. In fact, it probably is. No, but I want to vote for myself. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. So I am done. Right. This didn't go that well. But let's put it up anyway. Oh dear. Oh. Goodbye.